everyone, this is from EP Southeast Asia team. So glad that I have a chance to introduce EP new reaching truck, CQD20LB. It is a version of the basic CQD20L, 280 lithium battery capacity, compact size, low center of gravity, but with much bigger operation space. Suspension seat with OPS system as standard. Even a lady like me can operate it easily because of the smart system. Come on, let me try to show you some details. Look at this colorful display, truck's current situation, detail error code, height indicate, and the select system. All of the information are showing clearly on it. Master system is another selling point. Lifting cylinder and the hoses have moved to side for a great view. Also, middle buffer system for a quieter operation, especially in the top lifting height. If your racking lifting system is no over 8 meters, around 4 light duty working hours. CQD20LB is the best cost-saving choice for you. Any interest of this model, feel free to contact your sales manager now.